Damn. Side panel damage.
What you doing here?
One pull a day keeps the fuck niggas away. Looking at man, what's going YouTube? I'm Reaping. I'm back with another video. Alright, so I'm headed to a meet currently. Well, I'm picking up my boy right now, then I'm gonna head to a meet after. I just saw some hard shit on my mom. It was a BMW. I don't know what the fuck model it was, but that bitch was hard. It had fucking carbon trunk, carbon hood, if I'm not mistaken. That shit was so fucking tough. But anyway, I'ma probably prop y'all up and get on with the video. My fucking God, why is he on my ass? I'm not speeding for you. Can y'all see this nigga? What the fuck, nigga? This nigga is tweaking. Ah, slow ass car. My God, that bitch big as fuck. Y'all see that shit? Tell me, what would that game ever do without me, baby? All right. Stop. Stop.
I'm familiar with that Beamer's game, bro.
Nah, anyway.
Quit.
60 ball to fill up, kinda.
Hey,
Nothing
question is that
crazy.
gonna be a full tank?
I mean, low key, cause it's just gonna run out quick. Basically, that's what it do. It be cooking. Now say he gotta work a little extra.
For what,
So
a
he
cat?
might be late. Nah.
Oh,
late
he coming
to this
tonight?
meet. Yeah.
Okay.
What you got me?
Some hair bows.
Okay.
Gold hair bows.
That boy
I got
no
me-
game.
Yeah,
That
I
boy
got
no
me
game.
gold hair bows.
Gonna hop in the whip. Y'all niggas wanna move to Tampa? Hell no. Man. Y'all niggas wanna move to Tampa? No, I don't know, nigga. I mean, the skyline a little nice, but that's all you got, nigga. I guess. Huh?
You can be sitting straight in traffic like this. Not lying.
I guess it's moving a little bit, but fuck.
Yeah, out of thing.
Alright, I'll catch y'all niggas when I'm there. This on some chill shit though. That's the Z06, ain't it? Wanna go see?
It's the B. You know about the B.
And then Superdrive.
Huh?
And then Superdrive. Damn, it's hella kids out here. Little daycare, nigga. So I'm attempting to get closer to the motherfucking meet because I'm out the way. You know what I'm saying? You think I'll get boxed in? Yeah. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'll show y'all the cars. Whatever that is. Y'all let me know what that is if y'all know what that is. Cause I don't know what that is. Should I ask his ass? What is this?
Bro, what is it?
It's a little.
It's a little bug car.
Oh, he pulled up last time. He pulled up in the last video, y'all.
Behind it.
What the fuck? What he?
That's an 88. Same car, an MR2. That's an 88.
Mark II.
MR2.
MR2. Okay. I like that one.
And it's the same car.
It is?
Yeah.
It's like same engine?
88.
Okay. That's crazy. This meat kinda cool. I'm gonna show y'all some more whips. We got a whatever the, what the fuck? Hey, this the car that I was on the highway with. This the car I was on the highway with. You remember I showed you the video?
We gotta figure out. That boy got the slicks though, boy.
Yeah, he a little fast for me. I'm gonna chill out. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my shit over here.
Oh yeah, like right here. He was perfect right here.
You think?
Yeah, I don't think he don't know.
Okay. He got too much money. I don't know what he doing here. Big Maybach on niggas. But what's going on? Thumbnail? What up in a, what the fuck that is? I want to park right here. I'm not that narrow.
You say fit right here?
I don't know what the fuck going on.
Oh snap, that boy tripping. That nigga tripping.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, someone get this nigga, bro. Hey,
Bro, why
y'all.
is he outside?
Yo, I'm scared as fuck right now. Whoa, he coming at me. Bro, I'm not staying here. I'm finna go to that pump.
You caught in the cut right here.
I don't like this shit though. Oh no, wait. So it came with the dash like that? No? Okay.
Now, the only thing that's stock is the dash pad. The dash pad is part of the dash itself. That's stock, but everything else has been put on.
Steering wheel,
Yeah.
aftermarket?
No?
Or it came like that? Okay.
That's all HSV shit.
That's tough.
The seats came out of a G8 though. That's why
Okay,
they kind
that
of look
makes
kind of
sense.
old. And I left the cop door panels because I had our tweeters already cut into them and shit. I just left it.
Tweeters in the door?
Yeah, they're cut in.
They came like that?
No.
Okay.
No, I was gonna get the Australian door panel.
How'd you do that? You did that? Damn, copyright is crazy.
So you want me to edit that one real quick?
Look, bro. I kid you not, bro. This shit's already on his phone, right? The video he just took, right? It's already on his phone.
Now I'm adjusting the speed, speed it up a little bit.
Get out of his way. Dang, look at my battery. It's time to change it.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! What? Fuck with all LS. If you driving LS, I'm a fan of you. Like, you being different. You know what I'm saying? You can't be riding and fucking. I actually can't find one in this parking lot. No more. Oh, we got. This was in 2023, y'all.
Bro, who are these guys, bro?
Some assholes out there, dude. We got some hoodlum activities. The weather kind of good today. I thought it was gonna be fucking cold as shit.
Damn, well, I guess they're gonna go on a cruise. I ain't going.
Yeah, I ain't going either.
I got places to be.
They got a Drift Z out there by the light.
That shit's hard as hell.
I'll show y'all, but I can't zoom in that far. Probably finna get up out of here, so I'll catch y'all niggas.
The other cars there.
Right, the big ass truck.
Yeah. Like all the good angles.
Is that a cop?
Nah, they got a sticker.
Night shift. That is a cop. Oh, you lied.
Nah, that's not a cop.
Why he got a computer?
I don't know. You seen the smile on his face? That ain't a cop.
What the fuck?
That ain't. He just got a
What?
computer there to fool.
Bro, that's crazy. I ain't never seen no shit like that before. Oh, that's his son. Okay. God damn, nigga getting in the way. Fuck. Yeah. He finna rev it in my shit. Boy. Nah, he letting this big ass truck out the way. Hey, he on slick, y'all. You know, hey, alright. Hey, they don't want to see that bitch over there. Hey, hey, tell him now. That bitch get to losing tragedy. Down there, bitch.
You can't lose.
I end up on that median. They be like, damn, Lee. Damn, Lee. I'm gonna hit the road this time. Do you respect all bills? Surely. Is that cat? Hey, did you hear me? What did you say? No, hell no.
I respect all. Straight up. I ain't gotta lie to you. I don't respect all of them. I don't.
Bro. this fucking. This exhaust right fucking.
That's what he's gonna do.
What the
One
fuck?
bump away from falling out. Alright, y'all.
You drive safe, man. Would you cop a bike?
Bike's cool, they straight. I
I be thinking about that shit all the time. How y'all feel about a bike? Would y'all cop a bike? We look crazy as
You gonna get in your car and get the boys a pool?
fuck. Hell nah, twin. You can't be a crowd pleaser all the time. You can. Not all the time. Cause then niggas gonna get spoiled and think I'm finna do a pull every time when I'm not. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What's up with all these niggas having police cars? Is they throwing deals on police cars? How much?
I got the Escalade down, just raced out there.
Escalade.
Huh?
Like truck?
Yeah.
What, the supercharged one?
No. No stock.
You want?
It's up to you. From the dig. Why?
This bitch all over the place.
Oh.
See my tires, them bitches
Oh, I see it.
suck.
What you do it from the road?
Huh?
You race from the road?
I would.
Do a 60 roll. I'll run you in the BMW.
The Beamer? Nah. That shit leaving me.
He stopped.
Is it?
Yeah.
Turbo?
Huh?
Turbo?
I think so.
I think I can get that one, but I'm fast.
You're right here.
Just cause my ABS.
Come here.
Hey, I'm not ducking.
Hey, you ducking. You ducking.
Look at him.
Hey, you got a car? Like for your YouTube channel? I ain't got my phone over there now.
Damn, a car? Okay. As you can tell, it's dead out here. I feel like I got hella content. I'm gonna put all that shit together for y'all and see what I come up with. But yeah, you know. Swerving all around the parking lot, finna smack our ass, bro. What the fuck? God damn, that bitch bigger than a bitch. Fuck.
I don't know how that bitch street legal.
That bitch crazy. Would y'all driving some shit like that? Like that big? Would you? I think that shit's scary.
Shoot, not me personally. That's too tall.
The nigga is going like 85 miles per hour.
Yeah, this truck is like floating. This truck is literally like floating.
Floating. Hey, cuz, what is you doing? Hey, cuz, cutting up. Damn, that nigga cool.
Yo.
What the fuck?
On the road.
Bro, y'all niggas think y'all got money,
You
nigga?
got that on Kale?
Hell yeah, I got that shit on camera. That nigga nigga lifting that bitch up and down on our bitch ass. He said, nigga, y'all broke, nigga.
Little flex. Who's flashing the lights?
Yeah, that shit hard too.
You got it, bro.
He's talking about he got that shit. Bro, you gotta be aware, nigga, on my mama you do.